Tangina mo. Influencer yarn.
So today we will be unboxing the Minecraft blind box. Let's open it.
Nasa akin pa resibo niya.
By the way guys, yung box, 10 out of 10. Okay. Finally, nabuksan ko na siya. Nalo is si... 3 minutes. Wow! The man who can't be moved.
Nalayo na ako pero.
Okay. Sana.
Okay. Sino kaya yan?
First time. Oh!
Ay, burger!
Ay, I feel like that. Ito siya. Wow! So we have the Big Mac and
Ito pala yung
the
mag-sticker mo, by the way.
Also, credits pala for some for the guy na nag-isip nito or the girl na nag-isip nitong idea nito. It's cute.